Discover how enjoyable painting can be. Our painting classes are kept small, with a maximum of 5 to 6 students, so everyone receives plenty of personal attention and guidance. Michael specializes in the traditional techniques of the Dutch masters and will introduce you step by step to these beautiful painting methods. You will learn how to work with light, shadow, color, depth and detail. Techniques that can transform an ordinary painting into something truly special. And you don't need years of experience. With the right guidance, you may be surprised how quickly you can create a painting you can really be proud of. Choose the medium you enjoy the most. Oil paint or acrylics, there is no pressure and no complicated academic approach. You will learn at your own pace while developing your own style. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have something painting experience, you are very welcome. You choose your own topic and Michael will lead you through it from A to Z. Discover the joy of painting in a relaxed and inspiring atmosphere. Come by for a chat and we will show you our beautiful studios. See you then.